So this is a short video on how to use the Flobot app, and this is the most basic version of the Flobot app. There are a lot of modules that you can add in here, but we're just going to make this video about just getting a job sheet back and how to use it in general. So we go to our jobs. As you can see here, we've got a calendar in front of us for July, and it has got all the jobs that we might need to do. We just flick through them, having a look. This one is the day-to-day, so let's pick this one. So in front of us we've got John Smith, the name, how long the job's going to last for, or should do, the order number of it, the address. If I press that button, that's going to allow me to call my customer. I might be in a van and I only have access with one hand, for instance. If I press that button, it's going to show me where the customer is on Google Maps. Again, if I go right up to the top, I can navigate there.
Head southeast on Eden Court.
As you can see, these two buttons are text and some more details. So I'm going to click right into the job and see what I've got to do. So right again at the top here, I've got the client details. The pencil means that I can edit the job if I want to. I can edit the name, say they've got them wrong or something like that. Telephone number wrong. Again, I get the same options sometimes as I might have done on the front of the screen. So, that's the location symbol. And then further down, if I need to speak to someone about this inside my company, here is the details of who owns this job. That button there will open my WhatsApp, so I can just send them a quick WhatsApp. And the advantage there is that you know that this discussion is going to be recorded for this particular job and put into the job sheet, job notes. So the job details, this is a small part of what I need to do. That link there is exactly the same as the project sheet. So the project sheet is what has been sent to us by the admin guys to tell us what we need to do with this job. So this might be a little slow because we're real time here out on a 4G 5G connection. It's not really that fast on this 5G, but so you can see here that this is basically what we would see. This is the quote stripped out of any financial information. So we've got the name and address of the person here. We've got what we're going to do for them. We've also here got a schematic which has been put in. If we go further down, here are some images that have been sent either by the customer or they were taken by the estimator in the first instance to show us where we need to go, access, and so on and so forth. And then finally our line items, so the materials, how many we might need to pick up or install. So that tells us what we need to do, and that is our job sheet. It means we don't have to carry any paper around. So when hopefully we've finished this job, the next thing we want to do is go to attachments and images and start to take images of the job. As you can see, you can do them from either the gallery or in real time. So we've taken an image. We probably want to take more than that. Our work description. So I can do this. Oh, it's going to go silent now while I type this in. So we've saved a description of the work. They might ask us for some follow-up work. They haven't in this case. And then it's the job sign-off. So customer signs, we sign. Always ask for a name. Anyone will sign anything. There is a risk assessment one in here, but we won't cover that for the minute. And then there's a quick summary of what we're going to be sending. And we can either submit it from there or hit the red button. And now the job's been submitted. And as you can see, you can have a copy of, as the engineer, you can see a copy of the job sheet. So you can see the details of this job, where it was signed, so that's geolocation and time stamped, the image, and the signature. And that is the end of this video.